Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your LinkedIn Learning Certificate for employers or educational institutions, follow these quick steps to prove your achievement. Step 1. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your email and password at linkedin.com. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select View Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section on your profile. This is where all your LinkedIn Learning certificates are displayed. Step 4. Find the specific certificate you want to verify and click on it to expand the details. Step 5. You'll see a unique certificate URL that can be shared with others for verification purposes. Copy this URL to share with employers or add to your resume. Step 6. Anyone with this URL can click on it to view your certificate directly on LinkedIn, confirming its authenticity and the completion date. Step 7. Alternatively, you can download the certificate as a PDF by clicking the download button on the certificate page, then share the PDF file as needed. Step 8. To add extra credibility, make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete and professional, as verifiers will see your full profile when they check your certificate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.